Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about a special literal in Python called none. Basically, we use none data type to specify that the field hasn't been created, meaning the none keyword is used to define a null value or no value at all. Also, none is not the same as zero or false or an empty string. None is a data type of its own. It's none type. We are gonna take a simple example to illustrate the use of none in Python programming language. Here we have a simple program. Just we define a new menu function. And inside this function, when we set the argument as drink, then it displays available. And when the argument is food, it displays none. That's it simply. That's all for this lesson. If you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.